Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Shanaya here, and this session will be a quick guide on bubble sort, which is one of the simplest algorithms in computer science. So let's get started. Bubble sort is a straightforward algorithm used for sorting a list of elements. It repeatedly goes through the list, compares adjacent items, and swaps them if they are out of order. These are the steps followed here. Step 1. We start with the first pair of elements and compare them. Step 2. We swap them if the first element is greater than the second. Step 3. We move to the next pair and repeat the comparison and swapping process. After each pass, the largest unsorted element is positioned at the end of the list. Step 4. We continue until the entire list is sorted. Now let's look at a simple visual representation of this sorting algorithm. Now let's see how this algorithm can be implemented. Here we are sorting our array into ascending order. This could also be done in the reverse way to get the array sorted in descending order. This is the class I have created with the main method. And here I have initialized an array with unsorted elements in it. Here we have two for loops. The outer loop's iterations represents the passes through the array. It runs n-1 times, where n is the length of the array, and after each pass, the largest unsorted element is moved to its correct position. The reason for why the loop runs n-1 times and not n times is because the last element will automatically get into its correct position once the rest of the elements are placed in their proper positions. The inner loop compares adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. Here the loop runs fewer times with each successive pass because the largest elements have already been moved to the end of the list. The if condition is used for the swapping purpose. If the current element is greater than the next element, the two elements are swapped. A temporary variable known as temp is used to facilitate the swap. After the array is sorted, we can output it as follows. The next topic is time complexity of bubble sort. The best case scenario occurs when the list is already sorted. It is because only one pass is needed with no swaps. The average case scenario occurs when the elements of the list are randomly distributed. And the worst case scenario occurs when the list is sorted in the reverse order. It is because each element is compared with every other element, leading to quadratic time complexity. Now let us take a glance of the algorithm's pros and cons. Pros. This algorithm is very simple. It is easy to understand and implement. And it is also stable because it maintains the relative order of equal elements. It requires minimal additional memory, making it suitable for small lists or embedded systems. Cons. Bubble sort is inefficient as it is slow for large datasets with a time complexity of big O n to the power 2. And therefore it is rarely used in production environments. It is only suitable for small lists. That is all for this session, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.